Did you know that consuming tomatoes on an empty stomach can cause acid reflux and even gastric ulcers? It's a surprising fact, isn't it? But here's why. Tomatoes are naturally acidic, and when you eat them on an empty stomach, this acidity can lead to an imbalance in your gut, potentially leading to digestive issues. Now imagine what other common foods might be wreaking havoc on your system when consumed first thing in the morning. So let's dive into our countdown of the top 10 foods you should avoid eating on an empty stomach. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have spicy foods. Now, who doesn't love a good spicy dish to kick up the heat? But before you reach for that jalapeno popper or fiery curry first thing in the morning, let's take a moment to understand why it might not be the best idea. Spicy foods contain capsaicin, a compound that can cause irritation and inflammation in the stomach lining. When your stomach is empty, this effect is amplified, leading to discomfort or even pain. It's like throwing a lit match into a dry tinderbox. Without any food to absorb some of the heat, that capsaicin is free to wreak havoc on your stomach lining. Instead of starting your day with a spice fest, consider saving those spicy dishes for later in the day when you've had something to eat. This way, you'll still get to enjoy your favorite fiery flavors without the unwanted side effects. So, save those spicy dishes for later in the day when you've had something to eat. Coming in at number 9, we have citrus fruits. Now you might be thinking, but aren't citrus fruits good for me? Well, they are indeed packed with essential vitamins and nutrients, notably vitamin C. However, there's a catch. Consuming citrus fruits on an empty stomach can result in discomfort and heartburn. Why, you ask? The answer lies in their acidity. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, have a high acid content. When these fruits interact with an empty stomach, they can irritate the stomach lining, leading to acid reflux or heartburn. That's not a great way to start your day, is it? But don't worry, citrus lovers, there's no need to ditch these delicious fruits entirely. The key is timing. It's best to enjoy citrus fruits after you've had something else to eat. This way you can still benefit from their nutrients without the discomfort. So remember to consume these vitamin C-packed fruits after meals. At number 8, we have your morning cup of coffee. Now I know what you're thinking, but coffee kickstarts my day. Well, let's dive into why this might not be the best idea. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can actually do more harm than good. It can lead to a surge in acidity levels in your stomach, causing discomfort and potentially even heartburn. That's not exactly the best way to start your day, right? Moreover, the caffeine in coffee stimulates your body to produce more adrenaline. On an empty stomach, this can heighten your anxiety levels, making you feel jittery and stressed. That's the opposite of the calm and focused state you want for a productive day. So what's the solution? Have your breakfast first. Eating something before downing your cup of joe can help buffer these effects. So, consider having your coffee after breakfast, not before. Number 7 on our list is alcohol. Now we all love a good toast or a relaxing glass of wine after a long day, but consuming alcohol on an empty stomach, that's a big no-no. Here's why. When your stomach is empty, alcohol is absorbed more quickly into your bloodstream. This can cause your blood sugar levels to plummet, leading to feelings of weakness, shakiness, mood swings, and even confusion. Not exactly the ideal scenario, right? Moreover, alcohol is a diuretic. This means it makes you urinate more often, leading to dehydration. And let's not forget the increased risk of alcohol poisoning. The faster alcohol is absorbed, the higher the chances of consuming a toxic amount before your body can properly metabolize it. So the next time you're considering a drink, remember to have a bite to eat first. Your body will thank you for it. So always make sure to eat something before enjoying a drink. At number 6, we have raw vegetables. Now, you might be surprised. After all, raw vegetables are often hailed as the epitome of healthy eating. But while they are undeniably packed with essential nutrients, they can also be a little too rough on an empty stomach. Raw vegetables are rich in cellulose, a type of fiber that aids digestion. However, when consumed on an empty stomach, these rough fibers can lead to abdominal discomfort and even heartburn. This is because the stomach needs to work extra hard to break down these fibers, leading to an overproduction of stomach acid which can cause heartburn. So, what's the solution? Well, cooking your vegetables can help. It softens the fibers, making them easier for your stomach to handle. Alternatively, try eating your raw vegetables after you've had something else. This way they won't be the first thing hitting your empty stomach. So, consider cooking your vegetables or eating them after you've had something else. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have sugar or sweets. Now, who doesn't love a sweet treat to kickstart the day? But here's the catch. If you're consuming these sugary delights on an empty stomach, you're setting up a roller coaster for your energy levels. When you eat sweets, your body experiences a rapid rise in blood sugar, a state often described as a sugar high. However, what goes up must come down. This sugar high is followed by an inevitable crash as your body works hard to bring your blood sugar levels back to normal. This sudden drop in energy can leave you feeling sluggish, fatigued, and even cause mood swings. Moreover, consuming sweets in the morning can trigger cravings for more sugar throughout the day, making it harder to maintain a balanced diet. So, the next time you reach for that donut or candy bar first thing in the morning, think twice. So, save the sweets for dessert, not breakfast. At number 4, we have cold beverages. Chilled drinks on a hot day can be enticing. However, drinking cold beverages first thing in the morning on an empty stomach can cause more harm than good. This is because our stomachs are extremely sensitive in the morning, and the sudden temperature drop can shock the system, potentially causing damage to the stomach lining. Not only that, but cold beverages also slow down digestion. The body has to work overtime to bring the temperature of the drink to match the body's internal temperature. This extra work can slow down the digestive process, making it harder for your body to absorb nutrients from the food you eat later. It's best to start your day with room temperature or warm drinks like water or herbal tea. These kinds of beverages are gentle on the stomach and can even kickstart your metabolism for the day ahead. So, opt for room temperature or warm drinks in the morning. Coming in at number 3, we have green tea. Now, green tea is often hailed as a health elixir, and rightly so, but consuming it on an empty stomach may not be the best idea. It's not the leaves but the high caffeine content that's the culprit. Caffeine is a known diuretic, which means it makes your kidneys work overtime to flush out excess water from your body, leading to dehydration. Furthermore, caffeine stimulates the production of stomach acid. When your stomach is empty, there's not enough food present to provide a protective effect, and this excess acid can lead to gastric problems or even nausea. This doesn't mean you should eliminate green tea from your diet. Absolutely not. It's packed with antioxidants and is great for your overall health. But always remember to enjoy your cup of green tea after a meal, not before. So enjoy your green tea after a meal, not before. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2, we have yogurt. Now you might be surprised. After all, yogurt is often touted as a healthy breakfast or snack option, right? Well, yes, but here's the catch. Consuming yogurt, especially on an empty stomach, isn't as beneficial as you might think. Why, you ask? The answer lies in the unique nature of yogurt itself. Yogurt is known for its probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that promote gut health. However, when consumed on an empty stomach, the high acidity levels can render these probiotics ineffective. In other words, the stomach's acidic environment can kill off the beneficial bacteria before they have a chance to do their job. It's a bit like sending soldiers into battle without any armor. They're unlikely to survive, let alone succeed. Therefore, to reap the full benefits of yogurt's probiotics, it's best to consume it after you've eaten something. So save your yogurt for a snack after you've eaten. And finally, at number 1, we have bananas. A beloved fruit worldwide, bananas are packed with essential nutrients and are a great source of energy. But do you know what happens when you eat a banana on an empty stomach? It might surprise you. Eating bananas first thing in the morning can lead to an alarming rise in the level of magnesium in your blood. This sudden hike can cause an imbalance in your heart's functioning, as the heart needs a balanced amount of magnesium and other minerals to function properly. This doesn't mean you should strike bananas off your breakfast list entirely. No, not at all. Instead, pair your banana with other foods to create a balanced meal. You could add it to your cereal, blend it into a smoothie, or slice it onto your toast with a spread of almond butter. So eat a banana as part of a balanced breakfast, not as the entire meal. After all, moderation is the key to a healthy diet. So there you have it, the top 10 foods to avoid on an empty stomach. From spicy foods to bananas, each of these foods could potentially disrupt your digestive system when eaten first thing in the morning. It's essential to fuel your body with the right foods at the right times to maintain optimal health. Eating wisely can prevent discomfort, boost your energy levels, and even enhance your mood. Remember, food is fuel, but only if you're filling up with the right things at the right times. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more health tips and advice.